This is LeaseGuard, a rental marketplace with built-in fraud detection. I built it because students and people relocating constantly get scammed on listing platforms, and most marketplaces only react after the damage is done. LeaseGuard proactively scores listings before users send money. How it works is as you scroll through the listings on the main page, each listing is automatically assigned a fraud probability and a trust score. As you can see, listings are marked as low risk, medium risk, or high risk, based on the model's evaluation. So for example, if we filter through the listings and look for only high risk ones, we can see that the model has flagged several. For example, let's take this updated one bedroom with parking included. We can see that the model has flagged this and given it a fraud probability percentage of 58.2. And if we take a look at the signal breakdown, we can see the model flagged it because the rent is 2.6 standard deviations below the expected for this zip code, and the description is highly similar to another listing. So price deviation and duplicate descriptors are common fraud indicators. But how the system works is it looks at multiple raw signals such as price, z-score, urgency language, duplicate content similarity, account age, prior flag rate, and image matches. And these features are fed into a trained classifier, not a hard-coded rule system. So the model weighs these features to produce a fraud probability. Let's say a user wants to post a listing. When a user posts a listing, the system automatically checks it before it appears on the platform. As soon as they hit submit, the backend analyzes the listing's price and description and sends that information to the fraud detection service. The model evaluates it and returns a fraud probability along with the specific reasons it flagged the listing. Both the score and the explanations are then saved to the database and immediately shown in the interface. Lastly, when we take a look at the admin dashboard, we can see that it allows moderators to, instead of manually scanning through every listing, they can just focus on the high-risk listings first. So ultimately, this project accomplishes its goal, which is to build a complete end-to-end marketplace where machine learning is embedded directly into the product to prevent scams before they even occur.